if the camera app is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if your camera app is showing a black screen or if it is crashing, so first of all, just swipe up from the bottom center of the screen and open the recent apps section. And from here, just close the camera app. Now just reopen the camera app and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And over here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now, by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone, including the camera settings, because you might have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the camera is not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.